Welcome to the Amplus Forms online training. Basic fields numeric. This module we will teach you the basic field numeric and its setup when creating a form. Please take a look at the module 1A on basic properties, common features for instruction on the basic common properties associated with fields. And when you add a numeric field to the form design, you will give it a unique data name, a title text and a hint text if needed. So let's do that on our form here. We're going to take a numeric field from the left hand side, place it into our center design panel. First, we're going to make sure we give it a unique name. For the purpose of this video, let's call this numeric. Now the title text is what's seen by the user, so let's turn around and say numeric here and then ask to place number value here. So we're telling the guys and the girls out on the field what we want them to do. So next, as we scroll down, immediately underneath the hint text is the number type. You will see there are two. There's integer and decimal. So integer is a whole number. But if we choose decimal as your number type, an additional option will show up below. And this is called decimal places. The default is set to 2 decimal places. Now the decimal places field accepts and always displays values with your selection. Let's say for currency amounts you can choose 2 or 3 to display, so the value would be 99.90 with 2 decimals, or with 3 it would be 99.900. If any is selected, it means up to 15 decimals will be accepted and any trailing zeros will not be displayed. So we can go up to 5 or we could press any. We're going to leave ours at 2. One of the things that I change when I'm doing a numeric one is just the layout and styling. I normally set it to horizontal so it all keeps it compact. You can see that in the video about common properties. But just moving down a little bit, you will see here a placeholder text. The placeholder text, this is a hint text shown inside the answer box. An example could be enter number on meter face. If left blank, this defaults to enter a number. So again, it's another way of you telling the people out in the field what you're looking for. After the placeholder text, if we scroll down into validation and behavior, you will see restrict to range. This allows you to force the answer to be within a specific numeric range. So if I push the tick here, and I could turn around and say it's only going to be from 1 to 100, but I've restricted it to a range. If I don't want to restrict it, I can simply just unclick that. The numbers will stay there, but they won't be used. In the advanced options, you will see here a default value, and this will populate the initial value for this field prior to users' edits, if needed. Now remember, all the other common properties can be seen in the common properties training video. And of course, the best way for you to learn is by doing it yourself. We encourage you to create a new screen or form, add fields, and play with the properties within them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to email support@amplusforms.com.